What's going on, guys? So did a little video and now I seem to have the cops at my door for whatever reason. Let's see what they want.
Hey Reggie, how you doing?
Do I know you?
No, I'm Detective.
How do you know me?
I'm Detective McCarthy.
How do you know me? I didn't ask you that. I don't need to. What's your name and badge number?
Detective McCarthy.
What's your badge number?
1125.
1125. What's your name and badge number?
Detective Ingebretson, Hartford PD.
Say that again.
Detective Ingebretson, Hartford PD, badge number 605.
Okay.
Hello YouTube. In today's episode of Know Your Rights, we will be covering a video from the YouTube channel Best of Both Worlds. Please take a moment and head over to their YouTube channel and show them some love by subscribing to their channel. Today's video took place on April 19th, 2021. This video takes place on the front porch of the auditor's home. At the time, the auditor had only 2 previous videos on his YouTube channel, and even with just that few of videos, the police decided it was time to go to his home and try to intimidate him into stopping. Thankfully, the auditor has continued to stand up for his rights. Now, let's dive right into today's video and break down this footage.
Hey Reggie, how you doing?
Do I know you?
No, I'm Detective.
How do you know me?
I'm Detective McCarthy.
How do you know me? I didn't ask you that. I don't need to. What's your name and badge number?
Detective McCarthy.
What's your badge number?
1125.
1125. What's your name and badge number?
Detective Ingebretson, Hartford PD.
Say that again.
Detective Ingebretson, Hartford PD, badge number 605.
Okay. What you doing at my door?
Well, I just want to talk to you about your contact at West.
I don't care what you want to talk to me. Look. What do you have nothing to talk to me about?
Sir, I'm not here for a confrontation.
I am a productive member of society. I am a citizen of the United States of America. You guys have no reason to unlawfully be at this doorstep right now.
Okay.
Did I commit a crime?
I'm not.
Did I commit a crime?
I'm here.
Hold on. Answer my question, please. You are at my doorstep asking me questions, right? Can you answer a couple questions first? Before you get into your questioning me, I am a citizen here. You will not violate any rights today, sir.
Absolutely.
You will not come to my house and question me like you have authority. You will answer questions if you would like the respect of getting answered questions.
Okay.
Sorry, this is how I operate. So, was I suspected of committing a crime?
Possibly.
Oh, possibly.
Okay.
So you have reasonable articulable suspicion of a crime?
You could have been violating.
It could have, should have, shoulda, coulda, woulda, possibly, maybe on a rainy day.
Welcome to come to the West Bend Police Department.
I'm welcome to stay inside my home as well.
That is fine. When you go to a parking lot and start looking into vehicles,
That is a First Amendment protected lawful activity. It is publicly accessible, open to the public.
I am here to give you a warning for prowling.
Prowling?
That if you're looking into vehicles could be construed as prowling, okay?
No. You just said you're giving me a warning for prowling?
Yep, I'm giving you a warning.
What's your name again?
I'm explaining you the ordinance, okay?
I'm
explaining the ordinance. I don't want to see you get a ticket.
How do I file a complaint on this?
Okay? Go talk to my supervisor.
No, well, you should have a complaint form, shouldn't you?
Okay, no, I don't need a complaint form. Talk to my
So,
supervisor and file a complaint.
so to make a complaint about you, I have to talk to your supervisor? Because you guys aren't crooked all the same, huh?
Talk to the chief of police then, okay? All right? I'm here to give you a warning for prowling and explain the ordinance to you. When you're looking into vehicles, all right?
Anything my eyes can see, I can film. It's a First Amendment protected activity, and that was a publicly accessible parking lot. You have no reason to be on my doorstep trying to give me no warning for prowling. I'm glad. Where are you from? And you're from where?
West Bend,
I'm glad you guys came together, because guess what? I will be back.
okay?
I will be back to see you guys' department again.
Okay.
Thank you so very much. You guys will make my channel so amazing. You will see yourselves on the internet.
Okay.
You will see yourselves.
Thanks for your time. And just I'm just.
Blah, 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 la, la, la. Don't eat yellow snow. Don't walk in the middle of the street, guys.
Have a good day.
Try not to violate any rights today or kill nobody, okay? Try not to violate any rights today, guys, okay? Clowns come to the property to accuse me of prowling and try to give me a warning for prowling. Showed up at my doorstep for engaging in a lawful First Amendment protected activity. This is how crooked the cops are, guys. How the fuck they even know who I was? I don't care. This is the problem with the police force, guys. Look at this. They sent 2 white cops to my house to try to intimidate me. Just to try to intimidate me. Sent skinheads to my house. Post my picture on the KKK meeting tonight, guys. Clowns. Look at these clowns. Appreciate your help, guys. I'm sure trying to build my channel up. You guys are awesome.
Well, YouTube, I hope you liked this video. And please remember and go over and check out the Best of Both Worlds YouTube channel and show them some love by subscribing to their channel. If you like this video and you want to see more videos like this one, please consider subscribing to my channel. Also, if you have a video you would like me to break down, please submit the video at knowyourrightsnews@gmail.com. The link is in the description below. Until next time, YouTube, you stay safe out there. Before we break down this footage, I want to take a moment and talk to you about We the People University. If you haven't heard about this online course, I want to let you in on a little secret. Its sole purpose is to train you to know what it takes to make sure you are not unfairly treated by the police ever again. Who better to teach you what to do when the police try to search you or your property illegally or violate any of your constitutional rights than former police officer and sheriff's deputy Abiyah Israel. Learning your basic rights is an easy process. The only thing it takes is you being willing to learn. Do you want to learn all the trick questions that police ask during a traffic stop? Do you want to take back control from the police? If so, please click on the link in the description below. You will learn the secret of taking control of your constitutional rights back from the tyrants who abuse the law.